Hello and welcome to another update video on SUI. The SUI chart is clearly still in a consolidation mode, in a corrective mode. We have not yet seen any decisive follow through to the upside that would confirm further the orange scenario, which is the direct move higher towards $7, $8 plus. Quick reminder, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 is still unfolding, then wave 5, then wave 4 and 5. This would be the orange scenario, which, is getting more and more messy. So this becomes less and less probable without a successful upside follow through. And the yellow scenario remains still valid. I mean, also here, I know a lot of people were watching for a pullback, myself included. That still seems to be playing out. While there was a chance here for SUI to take off directly, that ended as a clear three-wave rally. That's why we track the microstructures, because when a rally is a three-wave move, it might be a B wave. So that rally that happened from the Monday 19th of May low ended as a three-wave move, A, B, C. So looks like we get this C wave down, at least based on what I see. The market has now been in a correction since the 11th of May. That's more than a week. Nearly a couple of weeks, actually. We've now been in a correction. So that's quite decent. The rally that happened started obviously on the 6th of April, 7th of April. So we had basically a month of a rally and now a couple of weeks correction. That means it could still extend a little bit, this correction. I shared yesterday with you guys which level needs to be broken to the upside for a first indication a low of sorts might have formed. That's the green line located at $3.96. So it takes a break above that level to indicate that a low of sorts is in place. And a break above that level would then also need to be followed with a break above the $4.20 to $4.30 area. This is the next cluster of resistances where the price could not break above in recent days. So you've got two, let's say, breakout points to the upside. The first one obviously not being that meaningful here, this dotted line. This is more like the first signal, first heads up. But for now, I mean, it looks like we're currently working here on an internal third wave to the downside, maybe within wave C. If I zoom in a little bit, you see that better. So that we have something like a wave 1, wave 2. We could be working on a third wave down, might get another 4 and 5. So as I said yesterday in the video, very much possible we might be targeting the area around $3.03 maybe for this for this C wave to the downside, that we get this A, B, C structure down potentially completed in that area, and that could constitute a wave 2. Now, as I shared previously in previous updates, not only SUI, but I often say this, that general Elliott wave guidelines indicate that a wave 2 can often, or at least we should watch for a completion in an area of a wave 4 of one lesser degree. That is indeed here in that area, the low $3 region. So for now, pressure remains downward, especially as long as the market stays below $3.96. And a break above it, especially a break in 5 waves, means that we might have bottomed. We then also need a break above $4.21. But overall, we're still tracking a bullish scenario on the SUI chart, for which a larger rally might have completed on the 12th of May, 11th of May. And we could be in this correction now, which might take a little longer based on current price action. But I already gave you the levels that need to be broken to the upside to signal a trend shift to the upside. That's the update on SUI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.